Let's go on an adventure. It's gonna be fun. Inside the water. Well, I don't know why.
Inside the water?
Yeah, we're going in the puddles if they're not too deep.
Swirly thing and a half cow.
We're talking about the neighbors next door to my dad's woods. So what? We're now on leaves, but we're going in the water. Or at least I am.
I am too.
Let's go on the water. No, you're gonna drown.
No, my boots are falling off.
Caitlin's gonna drown.
I'm just gonna put a little car.
No, you're gonna drown.
Slower. Sorta.
No, you're gonna drown. I just know it. I know Katie's gonna drown because she's gonna. Hey, I want to be the first one in.
Yeah, I'm not going in there.
I'll do it. There's a rock right there. I'm gonna slip on it. I just know it. Oh God, gosh. Yeah, you're right. It's really deep. Let's sort of go on the water. It's gonna be fun.
No, we're gonna go to Pete Fun, so that's our chance.
Let's see where this takes us. If we don't get attacked by wildlife in the making. Pretty flowers. This is my playing time vine. It's really cool. It's a vine.
Caitlin, I'll tell you where you can.
I found it very fun in the winter. The ice over this. Okay. We're continuing on. It's very mucky. If I had regular shoes on, I'd be wet as wet. There's a pond up ahead and I refuse to go in it.
You can't go there, you would sink.
No, you sink. You're gonna drown, Katie.
You would drown too.
No, I'm gonna swim. Oh God, I'm like sinking, getting away. Katie, go back onto there. I told you were gonna drown.
Caitlin, up here.
Go to Jesse. Hey, there yet? Follow Lance. Let's go on the side of the water. It's gonna be sort of fun. As my sister yells at me, it's gonna be fun. Okay. It's like really deep there. I'd sink, I admit it. But at least I would drown like Caitlin. Let's go on an adventure. Yes, you can because you're gonna drown. Let's go on an adventure without girls. Let's go be fun. My sisters can just leave. So my sisters are wusses and they're not gonna do it. And now I'm back in the water. Hey, there's something moving up ahead. I don't know what it is. Looks like a frog. Okay, it's getting a little deeper here. Oh man, I lost it. Oh wait, yeah, it is a toad. As I slowly approach the little fella. I think I see it. It's like got spread legs out. See him? Right there. I'm gonna go around the little fella. Stay swimming, little fella. Or whatever you do. Whatever frogs do. Oh gosh. Gotta love spring. Patent shirts. Gotta love spring. Hey, look, more flowers up ahead. Putty waterfall. Yeah, right. There's a dam. Putty flowers. Or shrubs, whatever you call them. Let's continue on. I remember when it was like, not like, what is it? Frozen, like ice. Oh, God. Get under the branches. Get under the branches. Ow, scratch my back. Why not? Whoa, swampland. That's not normal. Oh, okay. I'm not used to it being swampy like that. It's usually like normal. Dude, a big toad. Big toad. I'm thinking I'm gonna go off coast and over. Let's go inside the water. It's gonna be fun. I don't know where I got this. May look polluted, but it's not. Free. Tons of trees, lots of bees. It's the woods. Gotta enjoy it. Here is another pond, which I refuse to get near because I know I'm just gonna drown. Oh gosh, this is gonna be tricky to get through. Go into the pine cones, why not? Yeah. This would be really nice. If we like cleared out the middle and like put a little like fort. Oh, there's the water. It's still going. Because I am still going. Not for long, maybe. Freedom. I am not sure what that is. Oh my god. Ducks? Maybe beavers. It sounds like beaver mating. I don't even want to know. It's scaring me. Gonna try to get a closer look. It's kind of creeping me out. Is it beavers? No, this is like Wisconsin. I don't think there's beavers in Wisconsin. Deserted marshlands. It's actually quite pretty right here. This little place. Marsh covered. I'm debating whether I should go along it or not. Those beaver whatevers. I might as well end it here.